If you want a copy of the photo, you just shoot me an email, I'll send it to you, okay? That's what it's all about. Taking these photos and then sending them to people.
What's up, everybody? It's the Full Throttle Hog coming back to you. We're gonna do some more POV photography today. We're gonna head down to the beach, maybe get some bikes down there. So hopefully you guys are enjoying that type of material. It's a little bit different. Obviously, I get it. It's not sexy as some of the cinematic sequence, cinevlogs and things like that, but it's a little something different. But before we take off, I was gonna show you guys one of the things that came in the mail, which was stickers. This will be for, you know, trading swag, and when I see you all out there, we got some stickers. And for everybody that I like to consider in my hog pen, which is anybody I've ever done a collaboration with, we have the same sticker, but dark. Yeah, if I've done a collab with you or even a live stream, hit me up so I can make sure I get you out your live sticker. Let's go jump on the bike.
All right, so we got down here just a little bit early. It's still a little bit bright. I'm gonna still try to see what I can pick up down at the boardwalk, but once golden hour sets in, then we'll get some really, really good photos. And I've already seen some other bikes out, so hopefully we can get some snapshots of them as well. So let's go. Technically, right now, it is still spring break. So there should be quite a few people out. Some be blowing balloon or bubbles down here, balloons, what am I saying? It's actually a pretty cool spot right up here. Get some reflections. Let's call that a good warm-up for right now. Let's walk back to the bike, and then let's go to another spot where there should be some motorcycles. Oh, I like, because I have to go and take, I mean, we're here, we might as well take advantage of being at the pier, right? That's pretty awesome right there. We're risking it. We're risking it just to see if we can get this shot. Yeah, I think that's gonna turn out pretty good. I'll be excited to edit that one. All right, now we're going back to the bike, I promise. All right, so I'm literally gonna see if I can take a quick photo in this alleyway quickly, and we'll get going. I'm not even taking off the helmet. but I passed by and I thought it looked good. All right, let's go. All right, so we just got down to Belmont Park and there's already bikes. Believe that? I love it. Let's go, man. You mind to get a picture with you and your bike?
Yeah, no problem. Sorry.
You're okay. You got an email or something? Or here, if you want, you can shoot me an email and I'll send you the photo.
Cool. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Great. Here's a bike. So in the summertime months, usually this place is just gonna be packed with bikes throughout. I do want to go back to a couple of those spots that we hit up on the way over here to, you know, right at golden hour, which is gonna be in about 30 minutes. This little like vintage bike here is pretty cool. The Ducati Scrambler. See if that turned out at all. You might want to get a picture of you and your bike?
Okay. Just
Or-
an old piece of crap leaking oil.
That's okay. That means that it's running properly. That's all that means. Let's see here. Let's do it like that. Hey, if you're interested, you can shoot me an email. I'll send you the photo.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, you bet. How about you, man? You mind if I take a picture of you on your bike?
Yeah, sure.
If you want a copy of the photo, you just shoot me an email. I'll send it to you, okay?
All right, thank you.
Yeah. That's what it's all about. Taking these photos. See if I can get some. And then sending them to people. Might look good in an edit. All right, let's go find a better spot. That is the thing about golden hour though, you have to be running and gunning. On to the next stop. Alright, so that's going to do it for episode 2 of POV photography. If you enjoyed it, leave a comment, let me know, and I will catch you all on the next one.